Dublin truly comes alive during the summer. When the sun sets late in the evening and the city glows with golden light, the streets fill with laughter, music, and the scent of delicious food. Every corner of Dublin has its own story, but nothing captures the city's warm spirit more than its beautiful restaurants and lively pubs. During the summer months, these places transform into colorful havens filled with flower baskets hanging from windows and doors, brightening the historic streets with vibrant reds, pinks, and purples. The flowers create a cheerful atmosphere that perfectly matches the Irish love for good times and great company. Walking through Dublin on a summer evening is an experience like no other. You'll hear live music drifting out of open pub doors, traditional Irish folk tunes mixed with modern rhythms. Local musicians play guitars, violins, or flutes, while people clap along, sing, and dance. There's always someone tapping their feet to the beat or swaying to the melody with a smile. Irish people truly know how to enjoy life. They don't need much to be happy, just good music, friendly faces, and a pint of Guinness in hand. Restaurants and bars are packed with people enjoying dinner outdoors. You can see groups of friends sharing stories, couples laughing together, and visitors discovering the joy of Irish hospitality. Dubliners love to sit outside, even when the breeze turns cool, wrapped in the warmth of conversation and community. From the famous Temple Bar area to smaller hidden gems around the city, every spot offers something special: beautiful lighting, flower decorations, and a lively atmosphere that makes you want to stay forever. The streets are alive with energy. Tourists walk around taking photos. Locals stop to greet friends. And the sound of music echoes between the old buildings. The mix of modern life and historic charm gives Dublin a unique character. Even late at night, you'll see people strolling happily through the streets, the joy of being outdoors, surrounded by laughter and melodies. Makes Dublin feel like a big open-air celebration. Dublin in summer is a celebration of life, color, and music. Whether you're enjoying a meal surrounded by flowers, listening to street musicians, or simply watching the people go by, you can feel the happiness that fills the air. This is the true spirit of Ireland, warm, welcoming, and always ready for a good time.